Welcome to Nari Saki, and today let's make vrat special sweet potato salad. Sweet. So here I have boiled sweet potato, peeled and chopped into pieces, some apple, and now with the dry fruits, go with your choice. Toasted sesame seeds I'll add later on. So I have these dates. If the dates are a little bit dry, it's better, but this is the one I have right now, which is good. I especially use it for laddus. This is soft variety of dates. Black raisins. So we are adding a lot of nutritious value to this salad. Cashews, and go with what dry fruits you have. This is crushed almond powder. You can also use peanuts for this. They taste good. Very nutritious, healthy salad. And lastly, top it off with toasted sesame seeds. Mix it very well. If you have pomegranate, if it's in the season, you can also add pomegranate to this. It's a very yummy, tasty, and easy to do salad. And lastly, I'm going to top it off with sesame seeds. Do try this and let me know your comments. This is one of my favorite salad for Ekadashi.